Good evening. This is Dr. Chandramouli. Today, we are going to discuss about the very good topic from management concepts, mainly from organization behavior, that is called perception. How the perception is purely seen by two different Indian management thoughts, especially from Avayar Mudurai and Tirukural. In my previous videos, had we had discussed about various management concepts from Tirukural, management concepts from Mudurai. Especially today, we are going to discuss about only one concept, that is called perception. People, everyone know, not only for MBA people, not only the management people, everyone know about this word perception. What is perception? Seeing the things in our own view. Seeing the things in our own view. It's a single line explanation we can tell about the perception. But in Western management, lot of authors has discussed about this particular word perception in a different analysis. They did a different analysis and given an excellent definition on this. I had chosen the best one, which was given by Robbins. What is perception? Which was given by Robbins in the Western management thought. Perception happens to be the process by which the individuals organize and interpret the sensory impressions. That is very important. Individuals organize, interpret, and the sensory impressions in order to give meaning for the particular environment. That is a definition given by Robbins. The same perception has been clearly matched with the two different Indian management thought. One is from Avayar Mudurai, another one is from Tirukural. I had chosen only one Kural. At the same time, I had chosen only one Venba from Avayar Mudurai. In Venba number 12, Avayar has clearly given a good explanation about this perception. How she is explained? She explained by using the different stories. By giving a small story and tell about that explanation. How many years before? You just imagine. I will read out that Venba now. Madal Peridu தாழை மகிழ் இனிது கந்தம் உடல் சிறியர் என்று இருக்க வேண்டா கடல் பெரிது மண்ணீரும் ஆகாது அதன் அருகே சிற்றூரால் உண்ணீரும் ஆகிவிடும். By reading this, by telling about this particular Venba, it is very tough to understand. When we are reading our Indian management thought like Tirukural and Venba, one or two times continuously, easily you can understand what they are telling about the particular concepts. From this Venba also I am explaining that what she told about the perception. Everyone hear about this particular dialogue from our grandma, and even colloquially we had discussed in our family itself. Kadugu sirthalum karam koriyadu. By seeing the small and the size, we should not estimate what it is. Seeing the thing, anything from our own view, we never come to the conclusion. I give another example for you. When you are seeing the old man coming from the long distance, by seeing from here, how you look that? By seeing the shirt and pant, it is looking like a small boy. When the old man coming nearby to you only, we come to know that is old man. So outlook always make the people confused to judge about that. So perception always varies. If I show my hand like this to all the people, each and everyone seeing my hand in their own view. Somebody see my palm, somebody see my shirt, white color, somebody see my fingers, somebody see my that what is the scar in this particular area. So showing a one object, how the people view in a different angle, that is also called perception. I hope this example will clearly help you what is perception, what you can understand the meaning of the perception. The same concepts given by Mudurai. Thalambuvin Madal, it's looking very big. Thalambuvin Madal, what we call them as in the breadth of this particular Thalambu. There's one type of poo is there, and the surface is looking very big, but the smell is very excellent from the particular poo. The same thing given by Avayar, Madal Peridu Thalai, Magil Inidhu Kandam. Magil means what we smell. Madal peridu thalai, the thalambu, the plate is looking very big, but what we smell, that particular fragrance is looking good. Magil inidu kandam. She is telling that in the first line. The second line, Udal Siriyar ena irukka venda kadal peridu. By seeing the object in our own view from the outer angle, we thought that in a different view. When we see the inner traits, it is differ. I can give another example. The best example. India and England playing a cricket match in the stadium. The people sitting in the spectators area, Indian people are there, England people are there. So obviously we come to know Indian people, they came and watched the Indian cricket players playing that particular cricket. Likewise, England people also the same. Some other country people is also there, apart from these two country like India and other country. That people, why they are sitting there? Because their country is not playing in that match, but they like cricket very much. So by seeing the thing in a different angle, we can easily understand the conclusion of this. We should not justify, we should not come to conclusion by seeing immediately. We should analyze and understand. If you see the ocean, if you see the sea, that particular salt water will never use for anything. We can swim that salt. We can't have that. We can't swallow that water. We can't drink that water. Even for washing our clothes also, it will not help you. But nearby the sea or nearby the beach, you can see what we call them as a fountain. That fountain will give you pure water to you to have. The distance between the fountain and the sea, that salt water, is very little. But the water taste will be different. Perception varies. What she is telling in this particular one, Kadal peridu, manneerum ahadu. We can't use that water for any purposes. அதன் அருகே சிற்றூற்றால் உன்னீரும் ஆகிவிடும். Citrutral means foundation will always, we can have the water, very tasty water from the foundation. That is called citrutral, ஊற்று. We call them as an ஊற்று. So this was explained by Avayar in Mudurai in the Venba number 12. What she is trying to tell in this particular one, the sweetpine leaf is a large, but it is pollen that smells sweet. So do not judge anybody. Do not judge one's ability based on his size. I told you that one dialogue we always use, kadugu siruthalum kaaram kuriyadu. By seeing the size, we should not judge that. So we should analyze in a 360-degree angle, and we come to know that that is called perception. She was told very clearly about this perception in this particular Venba. For the sea is vast, is looking very big, but its water is of little use, while water for a small spring, what we call them as a foundation, near save one's life. People are so thirsty, they can't have the water in the sea, because the sea is looking very big, but the salt water never used for anything. But nearby the salt water fountain is that fountain will help us. That is very excellent explanation given by Avayar. What Thiruvallur told about this? I took only one kural, but in that particular kural number 351 to 360, all the kurals telling about the truth consciousness. Consciousness means perception, that you people everyone know. Truth consciousness in the sense perception. Regarding this particular word perception, Thiruvallur had given 10 kural from the kural number 351 to 360, but I had chosen best kural which is directly suitable for this. Most of them hear about this kural often. எப்பொருள் எத்தன்மைதாயினும் அப்பொருள் மெய்ப்பொருள் காண்பதறிவு. குறள் நம்பர் 355. எப்பொருள் எத்தன்மைதாயினும் அப்பொருள் மெய்ப்பொருள் காண்பதறிவு. Knowledge is a perception concerning everything and whatever kind that thing is true thing. That is the explanation for this particular kural. எப்பொருள், anything. Whatever the quality is, but at the same time, appurul, we have to find out that particular product, and we have to analyze that, and we have to take the truth about the product, and then we have to find. That is called knowledge. That particular thing given by Thirukkural. especially in the குறள் 355. I repeat the குறள். எப்பொருள், whatever it is, எத்தன்மைதாயினும், whatever the quality it is, அப்பொருள், particular product, மெய்ப்பொருள் காண்பதறிவு. மெய்ப்பொருள் in the sense we have to find out the truth inside in the particular product, and then we have to, that is called knowledge. This is also one of the very good matching குறள் for our management concepts, especially for the perception. I hope you enjoy this too. Lot of videos I am going to post in the YouTube. Those who are happy to enjoy this particular video, I kindly request you to share this. At the same time, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for your patience.